I'm Megan Edwards with MiningIR, and we are here on day 2 of the mining investment event in Quebec City. And I am joined by the best just guy in the building, Frank Callaghan, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
President and CEO of Golden Cariboo Resources Ltd. Golden Cariboo trades on the CSE under the symbol GCC, on the OTC under GCCFF, and on the Frankfurt Exchange under 3TZ. Thank you so much for being here.
Nice to be here too. Thank you
Yeah,
very much.
appreciate it. So, Frank, tell us a little bit about your background and how you got started in the mining industry.
I started up in Flin Flon, Manitoba a long
Okay.
time ago, very long time ago.
Yeah.
Years aren't necessary. Um,
We'll take
but
your word for it. Long time ago.
long time ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, exploration and have been doing, other than a little brief stint in the construction industry, I've been at it a very long time
Okay.
and love it.
You love it.
Love it.
That's all that matters, right?
It really is.
If you're doing it every day.
If you do something like this, and it's a 24-hour a day commitment sort of thing, because we're drilling 24 hours a day, so you're sort of on it 24 hours a day, 7 days a
Yeah.
week.
That's
You
good.
gotta love it.
Yeah. Can you give us a quick overview of Golden Cariboo Resources and your exploration focus in British Columbia's historic Cariboo Gold District?
Sure. So in this area of British Columbia, we've put two mines into production back in the 2000 era. We had one in, and then that company was taken over by Cisco Royalties, now OR. Shareholders did very well. We were taken out for $328 million and retired for a few years. And I've got these overachiever ladies that work for me that are just fabulous geologists, and they think they found another one. It's quite similar rocks to what we had before, and we've had an awful lot of joy. Every drill hole since we started really last March thereabouts has been a success. So we're really pleased with the results.
Absolutely. You're currently drilling the Quesnel Gold Quartz mine property, and we understand visible gold has now been identified in 12 out of 13 holes in the Halo Zone. What can you tell us about this discovery?
Yeah, it's really quite interesting, and it's a remarkable feat when you've actually seen VG or visible gold in the last dozen holes out of the 13 is really pretty remarkable when you think about it. So it's as you mentioned, it's a new discovery. It's we're finding gold in a rock formation that really hadn't been looked at sort of that carefully before. So
Mm.
that's what makes a new discovery. It's looking quite large. We've stepped out our last drill hole. We said we stepped out 175 meters, and we nailed it again. So we've got those holes. There's four actually at the lab as we speak right now. So we're waiting for those results to come, and we'll continue drilling.
And your project is contiguous to the
Yes,
Osisko
Cisco.
development's fully permitted gold mine. But it's true, when you acquired the Quesnel Gold Quartz mine property, Osisko responded by expanding their land position and now nearly surround your project. What does that suggest about the geological potential of your ground?
So Sean Rusin and his team are very smart, and Sean's seen this model, the Malartic mine, which he really put into production. It's the largest mine in Canada. It's like 60,000 tons a day. It's the model is quite similar. These rocks that we're exploring on right now have similarities to what you see between Val-d'Or and Timmins, and they're on a greenstone contact, much like what that is. So Sean realized, I believe, that the opportunity there, and had a look at it. They surround us on three sides. The fourth side, the reason they're not there, it's a pluton, so it's really there's nothing in that rock. But we've staked the other side of it in another 90,000 hectares.
Right.
So it's really quite a large land package, and we believe that the other side of the Pluton is going to really show us some joy this year. Actually, I was just making plans to fly the LiDAR on it just before we started this interview.
Oh, exciting.
Yes,
Very
yes.
exciting. So, what are some of the company's other recent milestones or big news?
Real milestones. Well, I guess
Or is it that?
sure. We're just going to carry on the drilling
Yeah.
and this extra ground that we've staked, that 90,000 hectares I was mentioning. It's really quite a massive land package, and it's going to take years to try to figure that out. But we'll start flying it this year, as I mentioned, the LiDAR, and then we'll follow that up with some geophysics. And I'm really excited about that because
Yeah.
it's really been unlooked at. And the thing is there's placer mining there. Fellows been placer mining there for quite some time, and yet no one's really taken the time to figure out where did that gold come from. So
Right.
that's what we're doing.
That's what you're doing. What should investors be watching for in the next 6 to 12 months?
Continuous drilling. I mean, there's going to be some airborne stuff that will be flown, but that doesn't make stocks sort of go up that much. I believe the drill results going forward are really going to add something to it. And hopefully by the end of the year, we can sort of have an understanding as to just what the potential of this is and how large it is. It looks like it's several kilometers long on the company's property.
Yeah.
So it's going to take some work to go figure that out, and we're doing it.
You're doing it.
You-
So what sets Golden Caribou Resources apart from others in the gold exploration space, do you think?
We're the cheapest one.
Okay. Straight up, straight to the point. I love it. Well, Frank, thank you so much for joining me. If anybody wants to get in touch with you or needs more information, where should they go?
Sure, they can go call my phone number is out there. It's 604-551-7685. Call anytime and phone the office.
Phone the office and website?
Website is info@goldencaribou.com.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Good to see you.
Good to
Thank
see
you.
you too.
You betcha.